Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with a long rectangle in a 16:9 proportion to set the car's overall silhouette. Lightly draw a centerline and roofline to position the cabin and hood. Mark 2 wheel centers and plan for roughly 19-inch wheel diameter when scaling your drawing. Divide the rectangle into 1/4 front, 2/4 cabin, 1/4 rear for balance. Use a low stance with a slightly forward-leaning hood. The M2 Competition has a compact, aggressive profile that sits low between wheel arches. Block in the hood, cabin, and trunk as simple shapes before refining details. Use smooth, confident strokes and erase construction lines only when satisfied. Outline wide fenders and side skirts, exaggerating the 3.5-inch track extension visually to convey the M2 Competition's muscular stance. Sketch the twin-kidney grille and angled headlights as primary front features, keeping grille proportions slightly wider than the hood center. Add a steep rear haunch and short overhangs to draw multi-spoke 19-inch rims and low-profile tires with correct spoke perspective. Keep rim spokes consistent around the circle. Add crisp creases, door lines, and the side gill to define body surfaces and break up broad panels. Place mirrors, quad exhaust tips, and rear diffuser after verifying proportions. Shade reflections using a 16:9 light source and soft gradient strokes to suggest curvature. Finish with highlights on the roof and hood, and darken wheel wells and undercarriage for depth and realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.